Hello everyone. In this video, we will be looking at program to calculate simple interest. Now, in your examination, the formula will be given to you. What is the formula for simple interest? PRT upon 100. Okay, this is the formula to calculate simple interest. So, we are interested in taking principal amount from the user, rate of interest and number of years. Okay, time limit in years. Fine. So here by looking at the formula, we have to first finalize how many variables we are supposed to take in our program. Now all these variables will be of data type double. So P, R, T and we will use SI to store simple interest, right? So these are the variables to store different values. Fine. Now each Java program, as we discussed, where we are taking input from the user, we have to write import java dot util dot scanner, and then we will write scanner s is equal to new scanner system dot in. Okay, so we are supposed to declare a class, then inside that we will declare the object of scanner class so that we can take values from the user. As we discussed earlier, we are supposed to first focus on what are our inputs or what values we are supposed to take from user. Secondly, the formula or the process, and third step was to print the result. Okay, so these three steps we will follow. Let's take input one by one. We will tell user to enter principal amount. So we will write the message system dot out dot println, and we will say enter the principal amount. Semicolon is required. Then we will write P is equal to method of scanner class to take integer. Then we will ask user enter the rate of interest. System dot out dot println enter rate of interest. Okay, R is equal to, oh, what mistake did I do? I can't write next int. Why? Because I have declared those variables as double. So I have to write P is equal to s dot next double. Next is rate of interest. So R is equal to s dot next double. So we took principal amount, rate of interest. Now I will take enter number of years, because time limit we have to enter in terms of year. Enter number of years, okay, for which the amount is withdrawn. So time limit T is equal to s dot next double. As we have declared everything in the double, we have to write s dot next double. Otherwise, you can declare this as an integer and take the value in the form of integer. Now apply the formula. Now we cannot simply write SR is equal to PRT upon 100. This is wrong. Why, people? Because we cannot put like this. Here we have to put mathematical operator. P into R into T in bracket and upon 100. Even if you don't put bracket, it is okay because it follows BODMAS rule. So answer will be calculated accurately. Once the answer is calculated, the calculated result will be stored where? In the variable SI. And now we will be printing it. The simple interest is, we are printing the message, okay, with the value. So value will be always outside the double quote as we discussed in our previous program. So SI will be outside, and to join a message with a value we have to use what? Plus sign. Okay, so the program is done. Let's run it. We took PRT, we calculated using the formula, and we printed. Let's run it. The program is compiled successfully. Now we will run. Enter principal amount. Suppose I am entering principal amount is I have taken in I have withdrawn how much amount? 10,000. Rate of interest 3%. Enter number of years. I have taken it for 5 years. So simple interest calculated is what? 1500. Right? We can check it again with another value. Enter the principal amount, say 25,000. Enter rate of interest, say 6%, and enter number of years. Suppose I have taken it for 12 years. So simple interest calculated is what? 18,000. Are you getting me? Right? So this is the way we can calculate simple interest using Java program. Only the point which we have to remember is by looking at the question, we have to, our main focus should be what? What is my input? So these three are inputs. Okay, we have to take principal amount, rate of interest, time limit from the user. What's the formula or what's the process? Once it is calculated, we are supposed to display the same. Thank you.